My channel technical tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install Vidiq extension for the browser. So let's start. First open your favorite browser. So I am doing it for the Chrome, and here I am searching for Vidiq and just hit enter. Now you will get the official website for Vidiq, that is vidiq.com. So this is the link. So click on this link, and here you need just sign up for the application. So just sign up. So I have just signed up with my Google account, and we are here. Now here we have the add extension option. Click on this and it will start downloading. Now click on the add to Chrome and click on add extension. So it will start downloading. It is just a 6.1 MB file. So we have added, and to check it, just create a new tab, and here we have the extension option. Click on that. So you can see the IQ version for YouTube, it is there. Now let's check. To check, just go to your YouTube, and here just refresh it once. So you can see it is added in your YouTube. In this way you can install the vidIQ extension.